Question. Why are you still here? I mean, here. Like 9 to 5. Is it to chase the big bucks? To hole up here? To say yes to the yes man? To listen to this guy? To heavy lift this line higher so you can line your boss's wallet? I didn't think so. You're here because you've got your own clock. Your clock doesn't have the slow hand. Your life doesn't have a punch card. You're here to trade those wheels for these wheels. That board for this board. That view for this view. You're here to trade bargain for premium, work day for weekend, ideas for paydays. You're here to learn to trade, and learning the crypto market is like turning on the afterburners. If crypto is raw power, we're the harness. Crypto moves fast. You gotta keep up. You're here because you know there's a world beyond the 9 to 5, and you want to trade that dial for this dial, and that seat for this seat. You're a fighter pilot in a building full of passengers, and you know, like we know, that the future is ready for takeoff, and climbing in feels just like this.